What up, guys? Welcome back once again to another video on the channel. I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend, and I hope you guys are also pumped up for a new weekend, right? We are about to enter a new trading week, and traders, whenever the market opens, we are excited, ready to go into the market and make some money. But obviously, if you're not having a profitable strategy, you can't make money, right? So this week, as usual, as I will do it at the beginning of every single week, I do post weekly market analysis where I show you guys the setup going into the new week that I'm looking at, that I have planned ahead of time to take those setups, right? And you guys will also see the thought process and the plans and the strategies that I have going into the new week and the pairs that I specifically want to trade, right? So today we are looking at AUD card. AUD card is gradually becoming one of my favorite pairs, right? Because I've been on AUD card for a couple of weeks now, and it's all profit. And my previous video that I've posted, if you haven't watched my previous video, please check it out, right? I've posted a previous analysis where I showed you guys why we took this beautiful profitable trade, right? I've showed you guys everything that went on, what we saw, what made us take the trade. I've shared all those analysis already on the channel. So if you want to check it out, further reference and further educational content, please, after watching this video, just open my channel and check it out. You're gonna see it there, right? But now we are currently seeing a very beautiful opportunity once again on AUD card that I'm glad to share with you guys once again. So now let's go to our monthly time frame and do a very beautiful top-down analysis, right? Top-down analysis. So looking at the monthly time frame, looking at a broader perspective, right? What do we see on AUD card? Now we can clearly see that AUD card has been in a downtrend for a very long time, starting from 2012, right? AUD card has been in a huge downtrend, creeping, bouncing off this trend line here. You can see obviously the overall trend here is in the market that is trending down for a while now, right? So the first thing we need to do here is identify the overall trend, and as you can clearly see, the market has been moving to the downside for a while now, right? Now let's look at the current price action, right? Let's look at what has been happening recently on the monthly time frame on AUD card. Now when we look at the current price action, we are seeing that the market came back to retest the previous strong support level, and immediately the market came to retest the support level. We saw the market doing what? Rejecting of the support level all the way to the upside, right? But before it rejected, there was some kind of W formation that the market formed, right? And as you can see, let me draw the W pattern very well. I've already shot M&W formation, how to trade this pattern profitably on the channel. I will leave the link somewhere on the screen. You can click it and watch for further educational content, right? This is not a perfect W, but this is also a very complete W that you can currently see the market pulling all the way back to the neckline from here, expecting price to do what, to make a further move to the downside, because we also saw the fact that the market has also pulled back to a previous support zone that we can expect price to make a further move. If not at all, we can see price rejecting all the way back to this resistance level that the market has already rejected twice, right? So we can expect market making a long-term move from the monthly time frame to that level, right? So on the monthly time frame, we've already established that the market is in a downtrend, and the current price action that we're seeing is the market rejecting of a previous support, right? And after the market rejecting of a previous support, we are also seeing the market forming a W formation that we are expecting that after markets retested to the neckline, the market will make a further move to the upside, right? Now let's move to the weekly time frame and see what we have on our weekly time frame. Right now on the weekly time frame, things begin to get much interesting. Now we are not focusing on the overall trend, we're looking at the current price action, because that is what stands the chance of giving us money now, right? Now this is the current price. We are looking at any price action that is within this range. That is what we are looking at right now. Now we are also seeing that the market, after testing to this zone right here, right, after the market rejecting off this resistance zone that we have right here, right, the market formed a very beautiful M formation, which is this. And after the formation of the W formation, obviously you expect the market to make a break to the downside, and after the break we expect the market to pull back to the neckline. So this is how it looks like. Market forms an M formation, breaks to the downside, and from there we expect the market to do what? To pull back to the neckline, right? And now we can see that the market has beautifully formed an M formation. Let me go over the M formation again. Like I said, I've already shot a video on the M formation You can check it out for further reference. This is a beautiful information. The market has rejected all the way to the downside from the double top. Right now, we are expecting that the market will pull back to the neckline, to this level, to complete the M pattern, and from there, that is when we potentially look for the market to do what, to make a reversal to the downside from here, right? But for now, one thing that we are sure of, the market doing what, the market making a reversal all the way to the neckline, which is here, right? So it's a very beautiful and interesting price action that we are currently seeing. And one thing that we can also spot again is also the fact that the market is also rejecting off a very strong support level, which is also right here. You can see this was a level the market rejected at. The market broke below, came down to that level, rejected on that same level again, made a huge move to the upside to test this resistance zone. That is where from where the market formed an M formation, right? And the market made a huge move back to the same level once again, right? So from there, we can expect that everything makes sense. We are seeing an M formation that we are expecting the market makes a move back to the neckline, and the market is also rejecting off a serious support zone that we can potentially see the market making a move all the way to the upside, right? So we have a very bullish bias coming from the monthly time frame down to the weekly time frame. Now let's see what we have on our daily time frame, right? Let's see what we have on our daily time frame. Now going down on the daily time frame, we have already established the fact that the market has rejected off a support level on the weekly time frame, has formed an information that we're expecting price to do what, to make a pull to the neckline, right? Now on coming down on the daily time frame, we are also seeing this is the support level that I highlighted on the weekly time frame, right? And when you look at the price action after the market retested on that support level, which is here, you are seeing the market was forming a very beautiful double top. Some also call it a triple bottom because some people consider this move here, but so let's just call it a triple bottom, right? So you can see this triple bottom here, market rejecting of this zone several times and before making a move to the upside, breaking above this zone right here, right? So from here, we're expecting the market to make a retest from here, and we expect price to creep all the way back to the upside to complete the information that we saw on the weekly time frame, right? So this is a very interesting price action that I'm definitely capitalizing with the students in my Telegram channel, sending free signals to them so they can also enjoy. If you haven't joined the Telegram channel, please listen out. Click the link in the description, join my WhatsApp group, join my Telegram channel. So whenever I send educational content and also free signals, you can also capitalize, right? Now, like going down to the 4-hour time frame, right? Like I said, we are seeing change of structure after the market retested to our weekly support that we have already highlighted, right? Which is the long blue rectangle that we have below here, right? Now, after market retested, now on the 4-hour time frame, we are currently seeing change of structure. We are seeing market gradually making a series of higher highs and higher lows on the 4-hour time frame. Just not too much, but then we are beginning to see signs of a bullish pressure. Market making a move all the way to the upside. So now, coming down the 4-hour, what I do, because I'm a swing trader, when I do my top-down analysis from the monthly time frame to the 4-hour time frame, what I do from here is when I get to my point of interest, which is obviously the whole of this zone, right? Because today is Monday and I'm obviously not taking this trade now. I'll wait for the daily candle to close to see how the daily candle closed before I make an entry, right? So looking at my point of entry, this is my point of entry right there, or my point of interest. Let me say it that way. There's my point of interest. Yes, here. This zone here is my point of interest. So I'll be monitoring this zone with students, and we will see if we see the market giving us potential move or potential entry that we're definitely going to capitalize from here all the way to the upside, which can guarantee us more than 100 pip movement, giving us a very cool 1-3 risk to reward, so that we can make money. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this session. I don't want to make it too long. This is a very beautiful top-down analysis that we just made on AUD card. Very interesting price action. Like I said, going over it one more time, we saw a downtrend on the monthly time frame. We also saw the current price action to be in the market rejecting off a previous support. We came down to the weekly time frame. We also saw the market forming an M formation that we are expecting the market to move to retrace to the neckline to complete the pattern. We also saw a very beautiful support level, a weekly support level that the market was also rejecting at. We came down to the daily time frame and we saw market showing a bullish momentum, right? We saw a triple bottom forming on a beautiful previous support zone that we're expecting that on the 4-hour time frame market to give us more information to confirm that yes, the market has changed to a bullish environment, and from there we're going to capitalize with the students. So if you want to be part of those who enjoy this trade, who take this signal with me, like I said, join my Telegram channel, join my WhatsApp channel. So when I send the alerts that buy AUD card, you'll be present and you can also capitalize. If you have any question, guys, leave it in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.